What's up, my name's Scott. Today I'm going to be showing you how to export HD videos into Instagram in the square format. Let's check it out. Okay, so we are now inside Adobe Premiere Pro. I've already made an intro video for this video. So what I want now is to export this in a square format so I can put it straight onto Instagram. First thing I'm going to do is come up to Sequence Settings. Now we want a ratio of 1:1 to make that square, and because Instagram doesn't like anything over 720, I'm going to do 720 by 720, and that gives us that 1:1 ratio. Because we've downscaled to 720, the text is obviously a lot bigger now. So I'm going to come up to Effect Control and go to Scale, and I reckon around 70, and that is now perfect. It's that simple. I'm now going to export this video. Now I'm going to save this straight to my Dropbox so that I can save it onto my phone and upload on Instagram. A couple of settings to make you aware of. You want to make sure it's rendering at maximum depth and using maximum render quality. Also the bitrate settings. Instagram doesn't like a high megabytes. Ideally you want to be around 25 and under. Now because this is quite a short little clip, that's totally fine. If you had a 60-second video you're uploading and you was at sort of 35 target bitrate, that's going to be a lot higher. But for the purpose of this, 16 is totally fine. So that's going to export into my Dropbox. If I now go into my Dropbox, the file is sitting just here. I'm going to export this, save it to my phone. Okay, so now all I've got to do is go to Instagram and upload the video. And it's that simple.